In this video, I'm going to break down how I created the Andy Timmons preset for the Tone Master Pro. I'm going to use the clean, crunch, and overdrive lead tones that you won't have seen in my previous video. If you saw the previous video, it was a demonstration only of the crunch tones for the Andy Timmons preset. Okay, so let's jump into Fender's Pro Control app, and I'll break down how I created this preset. Okay, so this is my Andy Timmons preset. I'm going to walk through how I created this. And I'm also going to show you something that wasn't in the previous performance video, which is the lead tone as well. So in my previous video, I used this exact guitar, which is my Sir S4, and I used the neck pickup throughout. If you haven't seen that video already, it will be linked at the end of this video, and I'll also put a link in the description below. So this is the tone that you get. I've got the volume all the way up this time, and I'm on the neck pickup. If I roll the volume down just a little bit, I'm going from 10 to 7 or 8. So you get that nice sort of edge of breakup tone that Andy Timmons uses quite a lot. But if you do roll this all the way down to, 1 or 2 on the volume control, it cleans up really nicely. So now here's another demonstration showing you how the volume control on the guitar can be used to sort of clean up that sound or add a bit more grit to it. And quickly before I go through how I built this preset, I'll show you the lead tone as well. All I do is add an overdrive pedal. Okay, so let's jump in now to see how this was put together. The amp that I've used is the 65 Super Reverb amp only head, so no reverb circuit on this. The cabs I've used is one Mesa 4x12 Mega V30, and the other one is a 4x12 Freeman V30, so the Friedman cabinet there. I have two tape echoes, a large plate reverb, a Greenbox overdrive, and the Royal Tone overdrive. So with everything bypassed except for the amp and the cabs, that's with the volume control on my guitar up to maximum, and I'm on the neck pickup. As you can see, the bright switch is off. Gives it a bit of a smoother tone, which Andy Timmons is known for. So for the Mega V30, I have an SM57, 1 inch off the cap, on axis, 89 hertz as the low cut, and 5.1 kilohertz as the high cut. This is how that sounds without the other cabinet. The second cab is also a dynamic 57. It's 1 inch off the cap edge, again on axis, and it has 90 Hertz low cut and a 6 kilohertz high cut. That sounds like this. And with both of them blended at 50%. Next, I'm going to turn on the plate reverb. Quite a long reverb. Okay, so now the tape echo. Here's the first one. Okay, bypass that one. Here's the second. Okay, so you can hear one's a short echo. And it's quite quiet as well. When you combine the two together, so it kind of creates a bit of a ping-pong effect, I guess, with the two delays going. Finally, we have the green box. This adds quite a bit of overdrive, obviously. So even with that overdrive pedal on, you can clean up nicely like I was showing you before. So and using the different pickup selector positions, you can get quite a lot of different tones just from this bass tone. So if I start with the neck pickup. So if I roll the volume back a little bit and use the second and fourth positions on the pickup selector. All right, finally, I set up a lead tone, and literally all that does is it stacks overdrive pedals. So it adds the royal tone, as you can see here. I've boosted the gain a lot here as well. Presence is just under halfway, and the volume is quite high too. And I've got it set to overdrive, not boost or distortion. I just want to show you very quickly as well, with the lead tone, you can tell the difference between the cabs a bit more than the clean tone. So this is just using the Mega V30. And now just the Freeman V30. So that's how I created my Andy Timmons tone for the ToneMaster Pro. The preset is available called JGG Andy Timmons in the cloud. And please check out the performance video that I posted, which will be linked at the end of this video and also in the description below.